Ever split the bill on a date and realize you got the better deal? Well, in case of managing property finances, you have to make sure that both parties actually benefit. That's what will keep the relationship strong. Hey everyone, it's Amit Grover from ECMP Studios, ready to dive into the financial nitty-gritty of being a landlord. Today, we're breaking down the key financial aspects that can either make or break your success in real estate investments. Understanding the cash flow of your properties is like knowing who's paying for what on a date. You need to account for all incoming rents and outgoing expenses, like mortgage payments, maintenance costs, and property taxes. Ensuring positive cash flow isn't just nice, it's necessary. It's the difference between a fling and a long-term commitment in the real estate world. Next up, let's talk about budgeting for maintenance and renovations. Just as you might set aside money for dating, you need a reserve fund for your properties. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet or updating the actual roof, keeping your property in top shape is crucial for attracting and retaining tenants. Depreciation is another important financial concept. Like remembering past relationships can sometimes be painful, depreciation can impact your tax situation. It allows you to deduct the cost of buying and improving a rental property over its useful life, providing significant tax benefits. And don't forget about insurance. Think of it as a prenup in property management. It protects your assets in case things go south, covering everything from natural disasters to tenant injuries at the property. If you've ever had a financial surprise turn your property investment sour, or if you've navigated these waters successfully, share your stories in the comments below. We all learn from each other's experience. Next, we will explore legal compliance and risk management. Just as you need to know the rules of dating, understanding the legal landscape can protect you and your investment. And as always, if you have more questions or need more detailed advice, reach out to us at ECMP. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Let's take